Hello and welcome back. Today we are talking about one of my favorite brands, Klur, and their product Brilliant Light. It has a delightful light emulsion texture. It's not sticky or tacky. It instantly absorbs into the skin, leaving you feeling hydrated and comfortable. It truly is a joy to use and has just the slightest hint of an herbal after scent. Lots to talk about with this one. It is a 20% vitamin C serum, but it has so much else going for it. This is not a one-note product by any means, and none of Klur's products are. Leslie Thornton is the licensed esthetician from California. She's the founder and formulator of these products, and she puts such care and thoughtfulness into her formulas. I just love them. The products are wonderful. The eco-focused design is wonderful. These are glass bottles, so very easy to recycle, but she goes so much farther than that and tries to source locally for plant extracts and be conscious about sustainability of the ingredients and the practices overall. It's a wonderful, wonderful brand. Please support her. Is woman-owned, person of color owned, phenomenal brand that just hits all the right notes. It is a little bit on the pricey side, but it is well worth every penny. I've tried a few of her other products, and this is the first time that I tried the Brilliant Light because I was looking for new vitamin C's. I was not disappointed. It has sodium ascorbyl phosphate, or SAP. It's a 20% concentration of that, which is a nice hearty concentration. Sodium ascorbyl phosphate is a particular kind of vitamin C that is an acne and inflammation hero. It helps brighten, it helps stimulate collagen, it helps with amazing antioxidant protection, but it also is comparable there were some in vivo studies, so done on people, not in petri dishes, that showed that 5% SAP is equivalent or better at reducing acne lesions, both inflammatory and non-inflammatory, than 5% benzoyl peroxide, which is huge. It also doesn't stain your sheets like benzoyl peroxide does. So that's wonderful. It is great up to a pH of 7, so a wide range of flexibility there. Less irritating than ascorbic acid, where it has to be a very low pH, very acidic. And when you combine it with retinol, you get even better acne resolution than either on their own. Leslie uses a phenoxyethanol preservative system, which is great for sensitized skin. It's very gentle. This has a whole host of ingredients, so we're going to try to power through as many as we can. Superoxide dismutase is amazing antioxidant. It's a very special kind of enzyme antioxidant. It reduces redness from UV irritation. It helps with just general antioxidant needs, but it is very cool because it recycles itself, so that unlike most antioxidants where once it's been hit with free radical, it's done, this one keeps going. So it's able to continue protecting your skin from free radical damage even after it's fought off a free radical. There's ferulic acid, which is going to help with brightening. It also helps stabilize vitamin C. It's another great antioxidant as well. There are some amazing extracts in this. The only downside with extracts is it's a little unclear as far as what the strength is and what you're actually getting out of it and how it was harvested. But knowing that Leslie takes such care and consideration in how she sources things and where they are sourced from, I'm pretty confident that these are powerful extracts and you're getting all the goodness that these plants have to offer. There's aloe juice as the base. So the first ingredient is aloe juice and then the second is water, which is very uncommon, but very soothing. Black currant seed oil, dandelion extract, ginkgo biloba, elderflower, comfrey, centella asiatica, grapeseed oil. All of these are packed with anti-inflammatories, antioxidants, as well as beneficial ingredients that help stimulate good collagen, protect you from the outside world, and just overall make for a healthy, healing environment for your skin. Rosehip oil is one of my favorite ingredients because it has carotenoids, which is nature's vitamin A, as well as omega fatty acids and vitamin E. So it's just a powerhouse. Love that she included that, as well as dandelion extract. I've been doing some herbalism studies, and dandelion is an unsung hero, both internally and externally. It has lots of vitamins and minerals, antioxidants. It's just, look it up. It's a powerhouse, and have some dandelion tea while you're at it. Last but certainly not least, Leslie included a orange extract that helps the extracellular matrix. Now that's just the entire environment outside of the cells. it helps structure that better so it's more organized, so that nutrients get to the right places, and it holds up its structure better, so that means anti-aging, better youthful appearance, as well as just creating a very beautiful, healthy environment for cells to mature in and just create the healthiest skin possible. I believe you can pick this up in person in Southern California, or you can order it online. It is $88 for 1 fluid ounce or 30 milliliters. Another incredibly thoughtful aspect is that Leslie includes in the instructions that this is to be used 1 to 2 pumps once a day, as opposed to the typical use 2 pumps twice a day so that you use it up faster, even if your skin doesn't need all that product every single day. That way you can use less and spend less and still get everything your skin needs. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be well.